This is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up your camera brightness manually. So that's a relatively simple thing to do. I'll just launch the default camera app. First thing that I recommend you checking is going into settings and turning off the tap anywhere to capture option, since it will prevent you from being able to manually change the camera brightness. Once this step is out of the way, just return to the viewfinder interface, and from now on, whenever you tap anywhere at the viewfinder, you'll see this little bar appearing, which is actually the slider allowing you to manually increase or decrease your photo brightness, as you can see. Alrighty, so that will be it for this simple and short video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.